Wonderful.
Awesome.
You can start.
Great. So we are Digiventures, and I'm going to tell you how we are enabling LATAM financial institutions to modernize their customer acquisition. We enable incumbent and challenger FIs to reach all customers in Latin America. Our SaaS platform helps them to modernize their account opening and product sales through a 100% digital process. Currently, we're working with more than 50 financial institutions in both South America and Mexico, and we are reaching a 3x year-over-year growth, reaching a $1 million in ARR by the end of the year. And this is sustained by very strong metrics, such as a 76% growth margin, an 8% churn rate, and 120 net dollar retention, meaning that customers that work with us, they want to stay with us, and they grow with us. But what is actually the problem that we are solving here? If you see what is going currently in the market, is that around financial institutions reach around 40% of the population in Latin America, meaning that there are more than 300 million people that have limited access to financial services. But if you see what's going on actually with those 17K financial institutions, the different segments face different challenges. For instance, banks, they have a very high customer acquisition cost, which results in very high interest rates. And also they basically lack data for the bottom of the pyramid. Whereas non-banks, well, they face very old legacy technology, which results in a high use of branches, and that's a very high difficulty to scale. And challengers, well, challengers are still small compared to the size of the whole market. And this is why our SaaS solution has a horizontal approach. We are focusing on digital distribution, and we are helping both banks and non-banks to go from 80% paper-based operations to a 100% digital process. And that is precisely what our platform does. It provides a toolkit to digitize the customer acquisition cost, which in terms of product looks like a white label front end, an omni-channel middle end that is supported by a case management tool, and a back end that has open banking integrations. Currently, the market is $22 billion in size, but we are going to grow this market to more than double by the end of 2030. And we're going to be doing this by enabling embedded finance and by achieving financial inclusion in the whole Latin American region. We have the right team to execute this dream because together we have combined more than 25 years in the banking and tech industries. We have a stellar board of advisors and also a 30-people team that for the past 3 years have been building solutions for financial institutions. We are seeking for growth capital to accelerate our expansion. Currently, we're receiving a huge demand fueled by the COVID pandemic and the economic growth after the pandemic. And also, we have already hacked the growth. We're currently in 6 different countries. And also, we have a very specific value proposition for each different customer segment. What we're looking to do is to enter the Brazilian market and to triple our growth. Thank you.